scared to go home last night, Tara. I told Dave that I had to work through the night, and I stayed here, where I knew there were guards.
No, Jack's got his information from Lou, and I really doubt he'd bother you.
I can't take that chance. I'm sorry. I've got 3 weeks of vacation and comp time, and I'm gonna take them. Go stay with my sister in Sedona.
I understand. I'm sorry. Thank you.
Please be careful.
Hey, wasn't sure if you'd make it.
Yeah.
Showed up this morning. Diosa del Sur Escorts and Massage, officially in business.
That's great.
Yes, it is. Thank you, gentlemen. I'm not sure what happened, but no more fighting.
I'll have Lila come sit down with the girls. Get their info, make sure we have everyone's W-9s.
Weed out anyone who's not up to Diosa's very high standards.
Something like that.
You, want me to put this someplace, sweetie?
No, I got it, darling. Thank you. I'm just gonna crash here for a few nights, if you don't mind.
Of course not. Come on. Put your stuff in my room for now.
Appreciate that.
Any reason why you're not sleeping at home?
You don't wanna know.
Probably right.
Hey. What's going on?
I got a clay thing.
Where's your Irish thing?
Here's my office.
Jenna Teller.
Colette Jane. Pleasure.
That's what I hear. Claire wants to see me. Lawyer says he can get me in this afternoon.
Did you say what?
Papers he wants signed, something like that. It's probably just an excuse for us to sit down.
What's going on with the Irish? It's okay, he knows most of it.
Okay, Galen's in time. Says we have to see him in audio bath in 20 minutes.
You got any idea what it might be? No.
We should get going. Bridge is gonna be jammed.
I've got something I need to tell you and Nero.
Do you want us to split?
No. I want you to hear this too. I talked to Lowen last night. Got some truth about what happened with Tara. She was never pregnant. Tara set up my mom. Made it look like a miscarriage. So that I would sign off on Gemma never becoming legal guardian of our sons. She wants to divorce me. She wants full custody and she was gonna split.
Jesus. What about jail?
Unfair. She served time, she was gonna make sure Wendy became a guardian. And then she got my sons out of Charmin. Sorry, I didn't believe you.
How could you? I'm so sorry, hon.
I'm sorry, man.
I know, Mom. It's okay.
Why you wait there, brother?
I got West watching Tara right now. Making sure she doesn't go anywhere. None of this makes sense to me right now. I just think I need a couple days. Figure it out.
She doesn't know West. Might be better if she had a familiar face behind her. Keep her motivated to stay close to home.
I can watch her.
Yeah. Yeah, thanks.
Well, yeah, man. Let us know if you need anything.
Alright, let's just get out of here. You handle this?
Yeah, I got it.
I'm sorry. Be careful with Clay.
I'll be fine. Be careful with the butcher in Belfast.
I'll try to stay in one piece.
See you later.
Yeah, you will.
How long's he been dipping into that?
Not long. Hey, he's working out his mommy issues.
How about you, Pimp Daddy? I'm gonna work out some mommy issues.
That's fine with you, buddy.
Let me spank that brown ass.
Be careful.
Consider it handled. Talk when it's done. They're here late.
Jackson, thanks for coming on such short notice.
Yeah.